Hey guys, what's up and welcome to my first video for 2019. Happy New Year. And today I'm going to show you guys how I straighten my natural hair using the Doux brand. I'm actually happy to announce that I'm a Doux ambassador, and off camera I pretty much did a quick rinse, shampooed my hair with the sucker-free moisturizing shampoo and used the cool conditioner that they have that's called Fresh Rinse. And pretty much I am starting on freshly washed hair, and I'm so excited to announce I'm actually a Doux ambassador. So if you're not sure about all of that and you always want to be in the loop, check out my Instagram page at SimplyCrystalMichelle so you're always in the loop. Now let's go ahead and get started. So as you guys can see, I'm applying the Light, which is this Doux lightweight oil that they have. And I really enjoy this because not only does it protect my hair, like it's a really great thermal treatment, it also adds a lot of shine. It's super lightweight, it does not build off, and it makes my hair really touchable and soft. And I absolutely loved using this line for straightening my hair. To me, it's a great anti-humectant kind of line, and I can't wait to use it in the summertime because I think it's really going to help with my hair not reverting. So as you guys can see, I'm using the Rev Air dryer again. I absolutely love this dryer. This is probably like my third time using it. It's just so easy. Once I detangled my hair, starting literally from the bottom, working my way up so that way we can avoid any knots. Like, look at that. And it probably took me like each second at least like maybe 15 to 30 seconds. And I recommend blow drying your hair when it's like really soaking wet and saturated. Last time I kind of did it on semi-wet hair and I didn't really like the results. But when I did it this time, I pretty much got my hair really straight. But don't forget, guys, to add a heat protectant because you do not want to mess up your hair. Sorry if you heard me clapping just now, but I don't really want to reinforce heat damage. And this video I recorded a while ago, so my curls reverted back. I didn't have any heat damage. My curls popped right away. And also after straightening my hair, before or after, I definitely recommend doing a really good protein treatment. So guys, I'm all done blow drying my hair. Look at that. Look at the length. I have not run a flat iron in my hair like in years. I actually really don't remember the last time I did. And so I just really wanted to give it a try and see how it worked out. Shake it out, girl. Ooh. All right. So now it's time to flat iron. I definitely recommend working in a space that's cool so your hair is not reverting back. I'm also adding another layer of that heat protectant again. My rule is to pretty much allow 2 passes. So that is what you guys are going to see. And I definitely recommend working in really small sections and really make sure you're working on the roots. I think my flat iron was around 350. Like I said before, I definitely resprayed my hair with the Light. Once again, it's so light. I think it's a wonderful heat protectant. And I'm using my fine tooth comb as a guide for when I'm running the flat iron through the first time. And like I said before, I only allow myself to do 2 passes. Right now, I cannot remember the name of that flat iron, but I definitely will link it in the bio. It's one of the newer ones that I have, and I really enjoyed the results I had. My hair was really shiny. I was surprised by how long it was, and 2 passes got the job done, at least for me. So guys, don't forget to use that fine tooth comb as your guide. And I'm pretty much using the fine tooth comb for the last steps of me straightening my hair. But before that, you guys saw me detangling my hair with a wide tooth comb. But I really just want to make sure each individual strand is straightened. And like I said before, I run the flat iron through a second time. I only allow 2 passes. That is my rule. And also for a little bit of suggestion, to prolong the wear of your hair, I did use dry shampoo so my style can last a lot longer, so I didn't have any buildup on my scalp. I did wrap my hair at night and I switched directions. What else did I do? Oh yes, and I also did use wrapping lotion like when I went out New Year's Eve and wanted to put curls in my hair again. So I put rollers in using wrapping lotion to set that. So that's a lot of ways to keep your style nice and straight without having to use heat again. And once again, I'm applying a little bit of the Light on my hair for extra sheen. And just so you guys know, off camera, your girl needed a really good trim, so I definitely cut cut off about an inch of hair. Yep, because I could see that my ends were splitting. When I looked at the ends, I had split ends, and I hadn't trimmed my hair in a very long time. Guys, try to keep up with it quarterly. I definitely fell off with that. So these are my results. My hair is so thick. You don't see any spacing or gaps. Like I said before, it reverted back. Check out the products down below in my description box. And don't forget to follow me on my social media platforms. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.